How to fix display black and white in Realme C53 or C55. So watch this video carefully and follow every step as I'm showing in video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on display and brightness. Now here you can check your dark mode. If you turn on your dark mode, then turn it off. After turn off your dark mode, then go back and scroll down and click on system and update. Now click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone, and here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on it, and here enter your password to reset your all settings. After reset all the settings, then go back and click on erase all data. Now here enter your password to erase all data. Erase all data basically means factory data reset. It will remove all the data in your device like photos, videos, documents. Everything will be removed in your device. After do factory data reset, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.